Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about point of view marketing and specifically the understanding I've come to. We'll use that as the heading. So first of all, beautiful sunny day here, Beacon Hill in Victoria, just taking in some rays right now. It's amazing to have the sun back out. It's been a lot of rain and clouds this winter, so good to have that back. One of the things I've noticed is it's very difficult in point of view marketing. How do we speak about our point of view without sounding arrogant or without sounding condescending or like we know the truth and other people don't? When the truth is we do have opinions, and they're often very strong and the result of many, many years of experience and trial and error and a lot of research and PhDs or the equivalent of PhDs. And yet, how do we avoid this kind of I'm right, you're wrong? And there's a phrasing I've heard modeled from many people over the years, and I just wanted to share it with you. Consider, you could say things like this: the understanding I've come to is this. How it seems to me now is this. What makes the most sense to me these days is this. I think those are really helpful ways to speak about it, that couch it a bit. A friend of mine, Simon, also said it really beautifully. He paused just before he said something. He said, look, I'm just an individual. My point of view is necessarily narrow. There's so much I don't see that perhaps you would see and other people would see, and the truth is in its nature collective and composite, and so no doubt there's pieces I'm missing here. And then he proceeded, and I thought that was really beautiful. It had me just relax and trust him more. So it's good to consider this instead of saying here's how it is, which can get defensiveness and someone wanting to point out all of the exceptions or feeling defensive, feeling like you're pushing it. Instead of that, you can just say, well, here's how it seems to me now. This is what makes the most sense to me. This is the conclusion I've come to in a not completely conclusive way. This is, these are the understandings that have been entrusted to me by XYZ people. I think those are ways that we can speak about it that honor the clarity we feel without being exclusive, without saying to somebody else you're wrong or any other understanding is wrong. So that's it, short little video today. I hope that's helpful. I know it has been very helpful for me in speaking also in a way that I don't feel like I'm judging them, and I don't lose any sense of connection with the people I'm talking to, which can happen if I do it the other way. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks so much to everyone who's been sharing the videos. The YouTube numbers keep going up. It's crazy. I think it's at 2,700 and something, 2.71 thousand. It's bonkers. It just keeps going up. So I'm really grateful. I mean, a year ago I think it was 1,200, and that's not me. I haven't been doing any ads, so grateful for that. Marketingforhippies.com is my website. Some of you are on my newsletter. Thanks for being on that. And those numbers have been going up too, by the way. Last year, I'll do another video on this, but last year I think it was 11% open rate, and now it's about a 16% open rate. My email this morning, it's not even 48 hours, had a 17% open rate, which is strange to see it going up because usually it goes down over time. So that's encouraging. And so thanks to everyone who's on my email list and sticking around and opening the emails actually. And on my Facebook, Marketing for Hippies, there's good stuff there too. The usual plugs and gratitudes. Thanks so much, everyone.